To solve this inequality, we multiply both sides by -4. Negative times negative is positive, and when we multiply 0.25, which is 1/4, by 4, it becomes 1x, or just x, on the left-hand side. And because we're multiplying by a negative number, we flip the inequality this way. And we have 3 times -4, which is -12. Thus, x is greater than -12. Let's solve this inequality. We'll throw this negative x to the right of this inequality symbol. So the -3x becomes a positive 3x. And we have x here, plus x. And we'll throw the positive 4 to the left. We can treat this like an equal sign. Positive 4, when we throw it over, becomes a -4. So we have -9, -4. -9, -4 is -13. And 3x plus 1x is just 4x. Dividing both sides by 4, we have x is less than -13 over 4. This is the same thing as saying x is less than -13 over 4. For the sake of practice, let's this time do the same question but throw this x to the left. So this inequality remains the same, and we have -3x minus x, and we'll throw this -9 to the right. So we have 4 plus 9. -3x minus x is -4x, and 4 plus 9 is 13. We now divide both sides by the coefficient -4. So when we divide this by -4, we just have x. But the rule is that when we multiply or divide by a negative number, we flip the inequality symbol. So we have 13 over -4. So this here is the same answer. Let's solve a. One way of doing this is to move this term to the left. So the -3/7 becomes 3/7a. And we're going to move this term to the right. So we get -4/5 becomes +4/5. We can now multiply both sides by 7. So we get 3a is less than 7 times 4 is 28 over 5. Finally, we divide both sides by 3. So we have a is less than 28. When we divide by 3, the bottom becomes a 15. When we have 28 over 5 divided by 3, it's the same thing as saying multiplied by the reciprocal, 1/3. 5 times 3 is 15. So here is one answer. Let's try the problem one more time. We're allowed to multiply both sides by the reciprocal. Multiply by -7/3. Negative times negative becomes positive, and when we multiply left and right hand side with the reciprocal, 7/3, 3/7 times the reciprocal, 7/3, becomes 1. So we have a on the right, and because we're multiplying by a negative number, the inequality flips, and so we have -4/5 multiplied by -7/3. That was the reciprocal. Negative times negative becomes positive. 7 times 4 is 28, and 5 times 3 is 15. So indeed, a is less than 28 over 15. Let's solve this inequality by first multiplying by 3. So we multiply both the left side and the right side by 3. So we get 2x plus 3 is greater than equals to 2 times 3 is 6. When we multiply this by 3, only multiply one factor, not both. We can use distribution, so we have 2x plus 3 is greater than equals to 6x minus 6. Let's throw the x's to the right. 6x minus 2x is 4x. And let's throw this -6 to the left. So we have 3 plus 6 is 9. Dividing both sides by 4, we have x is less than or equals to 9 over 4. X is less than or equals to 9 over 4.